Right, so I'm back up on the roof again. So I'm going to do Starlink this time. So I did have Starlink on my last crafter, but I never ever mounted it on the roof. But this time it's getting hardwired in. So that is where it's going to go, and that is how it's going to get through the roof. So I'm going to drill a hole again and hardwire it in, and then I'll show you how I'm going to mount it. Right, so I have drilled 20mm hole in the roof, deburred it, put some paint on it, got a 20mm grommet which I am putting in right now. I'll show you. So I've got a 20mm grommet in there, and then what I'm going to do is that is going to sit there like so. So if I'll take my pen, just draw around it like so, and then what I'm going to do is just going to scuff the area. So if you see on the bottom of here, look, I've scuffed that already, and that'll go onto there. So if I just give this a little key, looks criminal scratching your van up, doesn't it? But has to be done. And then get a bit of alcohol, give it a good clean. It'll remove the Sharpie line as well. Make sure you've got plenty on there to clean it off. And then I need to go and get my cable, push it through. So I'll go and get that and be back in a second. So I've got the cable, I'm just going to feed it through the gland plate, which is here. So if we go, say, that one there, and I have got a spare one. I've got a spare outlet, should I wish to put anything else in, which hopefully might be a light bar, but we'll see. And then we just shove that through the roof. Definitely long enough, I know that. Jesus. and then it's just a case of squishing that on there like so. And that is it, in place. Starlink spare. I want a light bar or something like that. I've always got access to that, so it's quite handy. Right, on to the next bit. Right, so I've just given the roof a clean with some alcohol, make sure it's nice and clean. And what we've got is, we've got this bad boy here, which I can't get off. So this is Starlink Mini, which I did have on my old van, and there is the cable. So if I plug that in there somehow, oh, just a second. Right, so that's plugged in. So what I've done is I've got 4 magnets, one on each corner, and hang on. That is just magnetised to the roof, and that ain't going anywhere. So I've made the cable entry at the other end just to give it a bit more protection from the weather. And I'm going to get some black lid for the unistrut just to enclose it all. It looks a bit neater, but this mount, it encloses the Mini inside and protects it from the elements. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link for that down in the description, because they are quite good. I think they're about 40 odd quid off memory. But yeah, so all I need to do now is connect it up inside. But that might be in another video, because I've got a little bit of jiggery pokery to do down in the cab area and in the back end. So there's the cable coming through. It's just going to go round here, cross here with all them, and it'll go into this, which is getting changed to oak. That was just put in there temporary, so I could use it. Yeah, and the only other thing that I've got is, I shall show you all. It's just tied in my garage. You wouldn't think it, because it's an absolute tip again. So what I've got is, again, I'll put a link in the description for this. So we've got 12 to 24 volt transformer, or DC-DC converter. So it's 12 in, 24 out. And that will get mounted behind the switch panel in the van, which I shall show you. So that will be in behind here, and the switch that says Wi-Fi / Starlink, that one there, will switch the Starlink on and off. So again, after quite a number of weeks waiting on weather and various other things, it's actually not a bad day today. So all done and dusted, apart from the final collection, obviously, but next time.